Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to use downloadable font in Android Studio. Before we used to use download font from outside font site, then we created folder in resource and then we pasted here, then we whenever we have to use we used that font. But now we don't have to download any font from outside. We can directly use from Android Studio, and we also can download font. So let's start. So right now I am creating some text view. So I am just pasting here. This is horizontal view, so let mention orientation is vertical. So, and I am setting here gravity center. So just let's define the text size like OTSP or something, so you can see properly changes in font. Just pasting in all text view. So little bit bigger. Okay, so just click on text view and you can see here attribute option, that is the property of this text view. So click on this, then go to font family. You can see here font family. Click on drop down and click on more fonts, and you can see here different fonts are available. Let's use this one and then click on add font to project. So this will automatically create font directory in resource, and then you can see here this font are available. So these are font family available, downloadable, so we can use in our project. Then let's use here. We can also download to type. Okay, I'm downloading another font, so you can select as per your choice. Let's give some command flow to our font. Say Arizonia. Then in third text view, Carter one. Add to font to project. This will be added here. So I think this 3 fonts are enough. Let's delete this. And now let's run the project. Sorry guys, I'm running in emulator, so maybe it will take some time. Let's wait for this. You can see here the changes, so I think there is no need to run this project. Still, if it runs fast, then I can show you. We can also see from here in design. See, this is the downloadable font directly from Android Studio. My application is already started. So you can see here are 3 downloadable fonts which we have used.